Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm here to do the drawing for my Dollar Tree sticker giveaway. So let's see here. I have all the names listed here on the wheel, and I am going to click the wheel to spin, and we're gonna get us a winner. And the winner is Nick's Crafty Corner. Congratulations, Nick. If you could email me your mailing address, I can get your stickers out to you as soon as possible. So be sure to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com with your mailing address, and I will send you your winnings. Congratulations, and thank you guys for watching.